Hello, friends. Welcome to the world of learning and growing. I am Dr. Purnima Kale, and today we are talking about one of the most important decisions that a medico has to make in his life, and that is what career option to choose after appearing for NEET PG. So, I personally think that this is a most important decision because this will stay with you for life. Whatever option you choose is going to define your entire career and entire life. So, a lot of thought has to be put into making this decision, and I will help you to understand some aspects that will help you choose your career path better. So let's start with your internship. So in internship there are three kind of people, right? So first is that they know that they want to pursue this career or this branch in their life because their parents might have some setup or they might have some interest in that. So some people know that no, I want to become a urologist. No, I want to become an endocrinologist. I want to become a gynecologist. So those people are very set and focused, and if they have a good rank and they get the college, they will choose that branch. Second is a confused kind of population, that is maybe I will do this, maybe I will do that, or I don't know. And third is जो होगा देखा जाएगा, जब नीट पीजी का रिजल्ट आएगा तब देखेंगे. So if you belong to this third category, let me tell you that this internship year would help you a lot because you have been to the number of departments and you have seen all the working of the department. You have gone through the postings and you know what happens inside that branch. So you have to first prepare the list of clinical and non-clinical subjects, and you have to choose if you want to go for a clinical or a non-clinical branch. So if you want to go for non-clinical, then you have the option, you can choose from whatever you want. But if you want to go into clinical, there are a lot of options. And during your internship, you if you don't know what you want, but you definitely know what you don't want. So whenever you prepare a list, just put a cross on whatever departments you don't want. So mine was, I never wanted gynecology and pediatrics, so that was a big no no for me. Even ortho I was not much interested. So that is how you can do it, or else you can divide the subjects into a physician branch and a surgical branch. So if you are more interested in surgery, then you will have options such as surgery, gynecology, ENT, ophthalmology. If you want to go for medicine branches or physician branches, you have MD medicine, you have skin, you have psychiatry. So this is how you can divide. Also, you have to keep in mind what you want your future life to look like. Do you want to become a workaholic? Do you want to make work your priority, or do you want to make family your priority? So that will depend. Do you want to make traveling your priority? Because if you go into hardcore branches, then you have to stick to your work and workplace, and whenever the number of patients and the flow of patient increases, you cannot actually just leave the hospital and go. So I think you have to also choose about what you want your life to look like 10 years or 15 years down the line, and then that will help you make the decision. But comes the real game. So as you know that we don't live into an idealistic world, and this we realize when the NEET PG results are out and you know your rank. So now how to proceed in this situation? So there can be two options. First is, you know what branch to choose from, and you are getting that branch in a good college, you can choose. And second, you are confused about two or three branches. So if that is the case, that from the list you have jotted down two or three branches, then I would like you to review that at your rank, what medical colleges or what hospitals are you getting through a previous year or a year before that on your rank. And then from that you can opt for a better college. Okay, so if you're confused about branches, then go for a better college. So if you're having an option of getting in Maharashtra either GMC Yavatmal, or you're getting BJ Medical College Pune. So I think if in you want, you are confused about ENT and ophthalmology. So here you are getting ophthalmology, there you are getting ENT. So go for a superior college, because there you will have a better understanding, a better teaching, a better patient flow. So this is just an example that I'm trying to give, but that is how you can. Then your also concern can be how close it is to my house. So basically for me, whenever I was filling it out, I was having that I wanted only seats from Maharashtra and MP. So I did not want to go beyond that. So that can also be your criteria to choose from. So you can select the states that I want only seats in these states, and then you can prepare a list and then you can go ahead with your decision. So as I've told you, first and foremost is, do you have interest in a branch? Do you have confusion? Then go for a better college. Choose from what state or what area you want to study from. And fourth is what you want your life to look like um, after doing it. So I think one more important thing that I would like to point out is, go and talk to people. So if you have jotted down two or three subjects, suppose you are having a MD psychiatry, you are having suppose skin and dermatology and MD medicine, suppose these three are your lists. So go and talk to people who have done that, who have been through the residency and now practicing, so they will give you a better insight. Now I will come to some branches which are not available in all medical college and you might not have exposure to it, such as radiation oncology or nuclear medicine. So these are the branches that are coming up in a new way and they are not available, so you might not have exposure to it. So it is better that you talk to somebody from these branches and get to know what these branches look like or what your life would look like I am here to tell you everything about radiation oncology. And we have this new channel that we have created, the link is above, and in that we are going to discuss about each and every aspect of radiation oncology. So if you're interested in this branch and you don't have any exposure to it, you can definitely check it out and subscribe to the channel so that you get all the authentic information from the insider perspective also, and from how the work life balance look like. Secondly, the branches such as radiation oncology and nuclear medicine, or even for that matter urology or endocrinology, would only work if you are trying to settle in a metro or a city. So these are not the branches which would help you to settle in your village or your own hometown. So if you're looking for that, then you can go for more generalized branches such as MD medicine or gynecology, or even orthopedician for that matter, surgery. So this is what would work at a ground level. But if you want to settle in a metro, then you can have options such as nuclear medicine or radiation oncology or super specialty branches. So this is how you can make a comprehensive decision based on what you have. Then secondly, if you have option between government colleges and private colleges and deemed university, you can also take monetary aspects of your family and your surrounding and your background into culture, and your culture into the you can take into account. And then you can go for options such as, if you want medicine only but you are not getting it in a government college, then maybe you can go for a private college if you are very set that I want to pursue medicine only. But if you have options, you are flexible, then you can get whatever you have in your career option. So you can take whatever branch you have in your mind, and if you are confused, then you can go through all these filters and filter it out. So I think I've helped you gain some insight and perspective into the most important decision of your life. If you want to know about radiation oncology, everything about radiation oncology is in our channel, so you can go there, see and choose for yourself. So we are here to tell you everything, that this is this. So it is a platter that you can choose from. Obviously, depending upon your ranks and whatever you get, you can fill your preferences. But still, if you have any doubt, you can comment below and let us know that if you need any other video, so that you want some help with your PG counseling and further preparations, let us know. Thank you and have a great day.